National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southern Hunt County in north central Texas, northeastern Kaufman County in north central Texas, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located west of Lake Tawakoni, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Quinlan and Hawk Cove around 3:55 p.m. Greenville around 4:15 p.m. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 83 and 94. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.